Good morning students, my name is Vijay Lakshmi. Today I am explaining about knowing our numbers. These are all concepts of in this chapter. Before we are going to in this chapter, once we recall what is numbers, how we use numbers in our day-to-day life. Once we recall them, so this is the role of numbers in our life. Life is full of numbers. We know all that one. Numbers are using to count the objects. When you were born, date, month and year. Your parents probably noted your date of birth. All are know your date of birth. So 12, 6 and year 1998. So what is these are? These are all numbers. And next, transaction of money matters. Deposit, withdraws, expenditure, saving, etc. So here also we use numbers in counting money, deposit, withdraws like this. Next, numbers are using to measure your length, your weight, counting your fingers and toes. Like this, in many ways, numbers are appeared in our life. So, every day we are using numbers in many ways. Okay, children. Next, we are going to comparing numbers. So, what is mean by comparing? For example, you got 82 marks in maths test. What you do? You are going to your friend and find your friend marks also. Your friend got 62 marks. Both are compared. Who got less marks and who got more marks, and e- e- and equal to each other. First of all, let us take one example here 4597 and here 5394. How to compare these two numbers? So listen carefully. Here we have 4-digit number 1, 2, 3, 4. And here also we have 4-digit number 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. So now you count place values as ones, tens, hundreds, thousands. And here also ones, tens, hundreds, thousands. So both numbers are in up to thousands place values. In this case, what you do? You have to find the largest place value of a number. Here largest place value is 1000. In this place 4 is there. And here also thousands place 5 is there. So which is big number? So 5394. So this is the greater. And this is smallest number. So you keep this is less than. And next, come to next problem. 3854, 15200. Here how many digits are here? 1, 2, 3, 4 digits, and here 5 digits number. So here 4, here 5. So 5 digits number is greater than this number. So you have to keep this symbol less than. And next number 814500756000. So what is this number? 81,000, 8,14,500 and 75,600. Here how many digits? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here 6 digits are here. Here 5 digits. So this is biggest number. So you keep greater than. These are comparing numbers. And next, numeration system. Actually, we have two types of numeration system. Numeration system is nothing but expression of a number. So first system is Indian system and second one is international system. This table is total Indian system. So Indian system, in this Indian system, first we see the places ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000, lakhs, 10 lakhs, crore, 10 crores. And these are numbers. How to write ones, tens, hundreds means 2 zeros, thousands means 3 zeros, 10,000s means 4 zeros. Like this, we write these numbers. And these are number of digits. So how many digits here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So total we have 9 digits. And next, how to read the number. How to read the number? Suppose I give you one number. How do you read that number? By using this system, we read this number. Before we read this number, first what you do? Keep commas. Commas are very useful to read the number. So without commas, you assume that there is no commas. 4, 5, 6, 5, 1, 2. Remember children, in this Indian system, first 3 digits after you keep 1 comma, and next 2 digits after you keep 1 comma. After every 2 digits, first 3 digits after every 2 digits you keep commas. Okay, so now here also 3 digits after 1 comma, 2 digits after 1 comma. And now you count the place values first: ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000 and lakh. So here how many lakhs? 4 lakhs. Okay, next 56. So both are in thousands. Okay, so that's why 56 thousands. And next 5 is in hundreds, so 500. Next 12, 512. Next another example, 547596. Indian system same. First 3 digits after 1 from right to you have to keep the comma, not left. Start from right. 1 2 3. 3 digits after comma. Next 2 digits, 1 2 after 1 comma. Now you write ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000, lakh. Write the places and write the number. 5 lakhs 47,596. This is the number reading. And next, according to this, do this 2 sums. Okay children, next come to here place values. Example, let us take one example, 4537. How to find place value of underlying digit. Okay, so here first of all you write the place values: ones, tens, hundreds, thousands. So here I underline under 7. What is the place value of 7? So 7 is in ones place. So 7 is in ones place. So place is multiplied, a number is multiplied by with place value 7 into 1. So place value of 7 is 7. Okay, next place value of 5. So actually place value of 5, in which place 5 is in hundreds. So 5 is multiple by 100 means 5 place value is 500. 5 into 100, 500. Otherwise I tell you simple trick how to find place values. Here 5 is in hundreds place. So hundreds means already we know that how many zeros of 100? 2 zeros. So write 5 here. After you keep 2 zeros. So next place value of 7. So how many place value of 7 means 7 only. So in ones place any number is multiplied by another number means a number itself only. So 7 into 1, 7. This is place values. And next, see the example 2. 54795. Find underline place values. I underline here under 7 under 5. So you have to find the place value of 7 and 5. So here place value of 7. First of all, when you find place values, first of all you do one thing. First write the place values as ones, tens, hundreds. So 7 is in which place? Hundreds place. So answer is 700. And next 4 is in which place? 1000. And 5 is in which place? 10,000. So place value of 5 is 50,000. Next, expanded form of numbers. How to expand of the number? Let us take one example, 7954. We have to find the expanded of this number. How to expand? Okay, listen. So this one also first write the place values as ones, tens, hundreds, thousands. So from the left side to you start. 7 is in which place? Thousands place. So multiply by 7 by its place value. 7 into 1000 and put the plus. 9 is in which place? Hundreds. So 9 into 100 plus 5 is in which place? Tens place. So 5 into 10 plus 4 is in which place? Ones place. 4 into 1. Next multiply 7 into thousands, 7,000s, plus 9 into 100, 900, plus 5 into 10, 50, plus 4 into 1, 4. This is expanded form. Again you add these all numbers. Again we get this number 7,594. Next see another example, expanded 440549. This one also. First write the place values is ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000, lakh. This number is up to lakh. So here start from 4 into 4 is in lakh place. So 4 into lakh plus 4 into again this 4 is in which place? 10,000s place. Next plus 0. 0 is in actually thousands. There is no value here 0. But write 0 into 100 plus 5 into 100. So 4 is in tens place. 4 into 10 plus 9 is in ones place. 9 into 1. So now 4 into lakh, 40 lakh. 4 lakh. Okay, next see the other example. Expanded 4,40,549. So here ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000, lakh. So 4 is in lakh place. 4 into lakh plus 4 into here 4 is in 10,000 place. So you write multiplied by 4 into 10,000 plus 0 into 1,000 plus 5 into 5 is in hundreds place plus 4 into 4 is in tens place plus 9 into in ones place. So 4 into lakh, 4 lakh plus 4 into 10,000, 40,000 plus 0 into 0 is multiple by any another number means the output also is 0. So 0 plus 5 into 100, 500 plus 4 into 10, 40 plus 9 into 1, 9. This is the expanded form of this number. Next, do these two problems. Right, expanded these two numbers, children. Next we are going to international system. The second system is international system. In international system also we have ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, 10,000s after 100,000s, million, 10 million, 100 million and billion. These are place values of international system. We must and should remember place values of international system. There is difference between Indian system and international system. Okay, in Indian system in hundreds, thousands place lakhs, million means 10 lakhs. Like this we replace these values. Okay, number of digits 10 digits. Next here, relation between Indian and international systems. So this is lakhs, crores. These are using in Indian system. Million, billions are using in international system. So 10 lakhs. 10 lakhs means in international system you write 1 million. 1 crore. How to write in international system? 1 crore means it is equal to 10 millions. Next 10 crore. 10 crore is equal to 100 millions. 100 crore. 100 crore means 1 billion. These are all relation between Indian and international. Next, how to read number in international system. So in this system also there is one condition. Before we read number in international system, first keep the commas in international system after every 3 digits of a number from the right. So this is number. Let us take one example here. See that 4, 7, 6, 3, 5, 6. How to read and write this number in international system? So first keep the commas in international system after every 3 digits. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. After keep comma. Okay. Now you read this number. Now read the place values as ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000, hundreds, thousand. So these three numbers in thousands place. Okay, so 476 thousands. These three numbers are in thousands place. That's why we write 476 thousands 356. Okay na? Next another number. Next example 57498. And here also first keep the commas after 3 digits after we keep the comma. Keep the comma here. Next count the place values ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000. This number is up to 10,000. So ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000. So 57,498. Writing like this words. This is number system right in international system. So like this you do these two problems in international system. Now we start exercise 1.1. So see here, which is the greatest and smallest among the group of numbers. So in the first problem there are some numbers. Here's some numbers. 15,000. First number is 15,432, and next number 15,892, and next number 15,370, and next number 15,524. We have to find which is the greatest number, which is the smallest number. How do you find both these two among these numbers? First count the place values. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000. Ones, tens, 100,000, 10,000. All are in 10,000's place. How do you find? Here 15 in thousands, 10,000s. In thousands, 10,000s. These are all numbers 15, 15, 15, 15. So you see in hundreds place. 10,000, 1,000 and 10,000. These numbers are all same. 15, 15, 15, 15. You see hundreds place. Here hundreds place. Here number is 4. Here hundreds place 8. Here 3 is in hundreds place and 5 is in hundreds place. So which is the greatest number in hundreds place? So here where this is the 15,892. So like this we realize 15,892 is the greatest number. And which is the smallest number? What is the smallest number in hundreds place? You compare. So here 15,370. This is the smallest number. Next smallest number. This is only smallest number. Next number 25073. So how to read this number? 25,073. Count place values and read this number. Here also 25,289, 25,800, 25,623. Here also these numbers are same in thousands and 10,000s. Thousands place 25, thousands place 5, and 10,000s place 2. Here also same. Here same and here also same. Then in this case what you do? First next in hundreds place, here hundreds place is 0. Here in hundreds place 2. Here 8 is in hundreds place. Here 6 is in hundreds place. So you choose which is the great number in hundreds place. So 0, 2, 8, 6. So 8. 8 is the greatest number. So this number is greatest number, 25,800. And next, what is the smallest number? The smallest number in hundreds place 0. So 25,073 is the smallest number. Next, by using like this you do these problems. Which is the number is greater, smallest. Do these two. Next, write the numbers in increasing and decreasing order. Increasing order means ascending order. Decreasing order means descending order. So already we know that in earlier classes increasing order means how to write increasing order means numbers write from smallest number to biggest number. Decreasing order means biggest to smallest. It is opposite to the increasing order. So now we write these numbers in increasing order. Increasing order. First of all, given numbers 375, 1,475, 15,951, 4,713. So in increasing order, smallest number, these are all in thousands places, thousands, 10,000s, but this is in hundreds. So this is the smallest number. Write first 375. right after this is smallest, small to big, and that means numbers are increasing, so keep symbol less than. Next smallest number 1475. Why? Because it is up to 1000 place only, 1000 places only. And here ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000. This is 10,000 place. And here also ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, thousands place. This is smallest thousands value. And next smallest number is 4713. And next value 15,951. This is the order. Next, decreasing order. When you write decreasing order, first start with the big number, biggest number. So 15,951. After you keep the symbol greater. Why? Because here decreasing order means numbers are reducing. Okay. After smallest number 4,713. Reverse order. Next 1475, and next greater than 375. But in increasing order symbol is less than, and decreasing order symbol is greater than. Okay, understand children? Next, put appropriate symbol less than or greater than in space given. So appropriate symbol have to choose. 3,854 dash 15,200. Already we do this one. 3,854 15,200, which is the big number. Here 4 digits number. Here 1 2 3 4 4 digits number. Here 5 digits. So here 15,200. Here 3,854. So 15,000 is big number. So what is the symbol? Symbol is less than. And next, second one, 99,545. Here 99,445. Here 99. Here 99. Thousands, 10,000s. Here thousands, 10,000s. Both numbers are same. Next you see here hundreds place 5. Here in hundreds place 4. So which is the number is greater than? This number is big number. So greater than means greater than symbol. Like this we do these two problems. Next, write the numbers inwards. In fourth Roman, write the numbers inwards. Already we know that how to write the numbers in Indian system. We use only this Indian system only we use. Okay, first to keep the commas and write 72642. How to write these numbers? First to keep the commas in Indian system. Ones, tens, hundreds after comma, and count the place values as ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000. So 72,642. Next, same example. Keep the comma. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000. So 55,345. Next, like this, write these numbers inwards. 660. Put commas and write these two numbers. Next, write these numbers in figures. Figures means in numbers like this. 40,207. This is in words. This is not number. This is in words. In words, we convert into numbers. Words in convert into numbers. 40,000. So 40 after comma. 270. 270. Next, 14,064. 14,000. Okay, 64. Here hundreds place is missing. So in missing place we kept the 0. Okay, so 14,064. Next, 60,000. We write this number 60,000. Next, last question. Form 4-digit numbers with the digits 4, 0, 3, 7 and find which is the greatest and the smallest among them. Here in this question we have 4 digits 4, 0, 3, 7. By using these only 4 digits we form the greatest number and smallest number. How to find? Listen. First of all, given digits. What is the given digits? 4 0 3 7. First you write these digits. Okay. Next, form the greatest number. First of all, how to form the greatest number means, in these 4 digits, what is the greatest number? 7. So write 7 is first. Next greatest number is 4. So next write 4. Next greatest number is 3 and last is 0. After you write these numbers, next put the commas. 1, 2, 3. So 7430. Next, smallest number. How to form smallest number? Smallest number is start from small number only. In these numbers we have already, we know that 0 is small number, but don't write 0 in first. Why? Because I show you 0. Okay, smallest number is 0. Next smallest number is 3. Next smallest number is 4. Next smallest number is 7. You know what is this number? 347. Why? Because here left side 0 is no value. Okay, that's why you don't write 0 on left side. That's why you take another smallest number. 0 after another smallest number is 3. 3 after you write 0. Okay, 3 0. Next small number is 4. Next is 7. Now you keep commas. Now this number is 3047. Like this you write, this number is only 347. This is wrong. Don't write like this. Okay children.